So, you want to start a school. You've got the dream, you've got the why. You might even have the land, but you're sitting there at 11 p.m. Googling things like, what are the IB or CBSE affiliation norms? What could be school setup checklist? How much does it cost to start a school? What fee should I be charging? And with every search, you are going more and more confused, not less. Am I right? Here is what nobody tells you. Starting a school isn't hard because you're not capable. It is hard because there is no clear sequence, no roadmap, just scattered information everywhere. But what if I tell you there is a proven path, a step-by-step system that has worked 65 times? From feasibility study to student enrollment, from trust registration to opening day, from curriculum development to parent orientation, from Amethi to Hyderabad, from Shillong to Middle East, from Ahmedabad to Bangalore, we have literally done this 65 plus times in last 16 years. And now I am giving you the exact blueprint. Click the link below for a complete step-by-step guide to starting your own school. No fluff, no theory, just the exact sequence